Okay, so now let's take a look at present perfect tense. For present perfect tense, we use for present perfect tense, we use the form of present perfect tense is has, have plus verb three. Has, have plus verb three. So when do we use present perfect tense? Usually we use present perfect tense to talk about completed action, the actions that we already done. Okay, for example, that completed action that still have some relationship with the, how to say that, present simple, because it's not very far from the present time. The past that is near to the present, can I say that? Yes. The near, not the near future, but the near past. Okay, for example, let's take a look at these, like okay, this one is present. Okay, let's say that this is future, and let's say this is past. So present perfect is like the period of present perfect is like if the action is happening here is like is totally it has no relationship with the it have no relationship with the present. It's totally completed in the past, but the present perfect tense is like the action that also completed, that also in the in the line of the past, but it is like it's a little bit like close to the present. For example, let's take a look at like the words yesterday. Let's say today is 24th of September. Yesterday was like 23 of yesterday is was like 23rd of the September. So when we talk about yesterday, we the yesterday is like totally how to say that, completed, like you have like nothing to do with present anymore. Okay, so yesterday completed action, but today is 24th, and now the time is like 3 p.m. When we want to talk about present simple, instead of using yesterday, not yesterday, we're gonna say like maybe the time is maybe around like 12, or maybe like a 1 for today, like that. So it still have something to do with today. So it still have something to do with today or recently, like that. Okay, first. For present perfect, there are a lot of things that you have to know, you have to learn, and the usage of it is a little bit like confusing for a completed action. So let's say I will try to give you one more example. So yesterday yesterday is 23rd. Okay, yesterday is 23rd. We have to learn math, geography, and social study. Okay, oh well, what's wrong with my spelling? Social study. Today is 24th, and we gotta learn English, history, and music. Okay, so if you have to use perfect tense, so which time expression, which time frame do you have to choose? Number 1 or number 2? Which one do you think? Yes, that's correct. You're gonna use number 2. If we have to use number 1, we say yesterday I learned math, geography, and social study, right? So you say today I have learned English, history, and music. So your focus is that you have learned this subject today, and the time is not very far from the present moment, like that. Okay, so but the action is already completed. You already learned it. You're not learning it anymore. It's the completed action. So for the first example. Next, we also use it with to talk about the things that we have been doing since